Hi there, welcome to Friday's market commentary. Got our S&P 500 chart up here. We're up about 5 points today. Nothing real major, it's kind of flat here. With support here around 1200 and resistance still up here at this 1275 level. I'm a little bit more bearish on this indicator. If you look at the MACDs are starting to drop already over here. Stochastics are already a little high. And we had a nice bounce from 1,200 almost up to 1,300. A nice little 100-point bounce over here, which was actually quite a big move going through here on the S&P 500. And since we hit that intraday high up here at about 1285 or so, we're starting to pull back a little bit. And I was really thinking we might see a little bit more pullback today on Friday, since we don't really know what's going to happen over a two-day weekend. Investors don't generally like to hold over a weekend, especially with lots of volatility in the market. The simple fact that we didn't have lots of selling going into the close is just a little bit more bullish overall for the indexes. I still am a little more bearish with resistance at 1275, support at 1200. I'm short-term bearish, thinking we might get a little bit more of a pullback here next week, and long-term bearish at the same time as our highs keep getting lower and our lows keep getting lower. Long-term bearish, short-term bearish on the S&P 500. Okay, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. And here's a chart of the NASDAQ, up about 30 points today, much stronger than the S&P and the Dow was. It was a stronger market here. We still, however, we've got support here on 2200, and we've got resistance all the way up here at 2400, the same numbers we've been talking about here for the last month or so. My MACDs are already starting to drop over here. Stochastics are dropping just like on the S&P, so a little bit more maybe short-term bearish to neutral. So short term, we can see that we're kind of moving this sideways pattern right in through here, and we're right about here in the middle here, close to 2300, with support at 22, resistance at 24. We're right here in the very middle right now, and we could easily try to keep on bouncing back up since we've had a fairly strong tech market here, or we could turn around and drop with the rest of the marketplace that I'm expecting here and move back down. So I'm going to say short term I'm bearish to neutral on the NASDAQ, and longer term I am neutral overall on the NASDAQ. All right, resistance again 2400, support at 2200. Hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. News does have a tendency to change everything, and I wish you the best.